Imagine a world where you can easily make money online by making people's lives easier. AI is currently revolutionizing the business world, and you can get a piece of the pie. If you're an entrepreneur, I'll be telling you 6 methods on how exactly you can make money with AI in 2024. If you don't know who I am, my name's Daniel Hart, and I run my own AI automation agency. I make these videos to give a real raw look into AI automation and entrepreneurship in general. Be sure to join my free Skool community down below to get access to all the resources I create in my YouTube videos, as well as to connect with other entrepreneurs using AI to make money online. If you like that kind of stuff, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below because that helps out the channel and allows the videos to reach more people. Let's start with the basics. AI, or artificial intelligence, is technology designed to think and learn like a human. It's reshaping industries by making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. But how can it specifically make you money? Let's find out. So, the best analogy I've heard about making money is that it's like water. It's constantly flowing from here to there and moving from person to person or business to business. And since this is the case, all you need to do is figure out where to stand in order to get wet. And real quick, one last thing before we get into the different ways that you can use AIs to make money. The best part about this is that any of the methods that we're going to be talking about today don't necessarily need to be fulfilled by you. If you're not technical, you can find a technical co-founder or you can hire developers to implement the solutions for you. First up, we have AI chatbots. So you've probably seen or interacted with one before. These are basically simple programs that simulate conversations with users. Businesses can use them for a wide variety of use cases like customer service, sales, staff training, onboarding, or even for gathering data. Starting a service to create custom chatbots could be your golden ticket. First, you should get familiar with some easy no-code platforms like VoiceFlow, ManyChat, Stack AI, or BotPress. You should get very comfortable with at least one of these platforms, and I'd suggest developing at least one solution and trying to sell that solution to as many businesses within the same niche who would all suffer from that same problem that your AI chatbot solves. For these, you can charge setup fees, retainer fees, or any mixture of the two. For example, if you create a customer service chatbot for an e-commerce business, you could charge them $1,000 for a setup fee and then $250 per month as a monthly retainer for any maintenance or upgrades. Next, we have AI-powered automations. This is creating systems that automate complex business processes. Think about automating tasks like data entry, scheduling, or even email marketing. For this, you should familiarize yourself with either Make.com or Zapier. I'm a bit more partial to Make.com because it's a bit cheaper, but you can really use either. It doesn't really matter. Both platforms integrate with so many popular tools out of the box, so you should have no real problems creating any powerful automations for clients using the tools that they're already familiar with. In order to sell this solution, you're going to need a deep understanding of the process that you're trying to automate. What's the goal? What technologies are involved? What are the inputs that are needed? And what's the desired output? For example, let's say you're selling a content generation system. Users can provide a topic for a blog post or a YouTube video, and the content generation system will then automatically go through the steps involved in that process and generate a blog or a YouTube video for you. But you, as the creator of the automation, need to understand how research for that topic should be conducted, the outline that should be used. For blog posts, you may need to create or source images from somewhere, so on and so forth. You need to understand the logistics of the processes that you're automating. Moving on to AI education. With the rise of AI, there's a huge demand for education that teaches people how to use these technologies. Creating an online course or conducting workshops could be extremely profitable. To get started, identify key areas within AI that are both in high demand and in your area of expertise. Perhaps AI for marketing, healthcare applications, or even ethical considerations in AI development. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Coursera offer excellent avenues to host and sell your courses. They handle a lot of the distribution and marketing, giving you more time to focus on the content creation. Consider creating beginner to advanced level courses. Start with the basics of AI, then delve into more complex applications and coding. Remember, your courses should be well structured, starting with clear learning objectives, followed by comprehensive lessons that should include elements like quizzes or hands-on projects. As for pricing, you could offer introductory courses at a lower price to draw students in, and then charge premium rates for specialized advanced classes. For example, if you create a course titled AI for Small Business Owners, you can help entrepreneurs understand how AI can be applied to automate customer interactions, manage inventory, or optimize their marketing strategies. This course around $199 and offer additional consulting services on top of that to help implement these strategies for a fee. And that brings us into consulting. AI consulting is another lucrative avenue. Here, you can advise business owners and companies on how to integrate AI into their operations effectively. This could range from strategic planning to implementing specific AI solutions. Difficult way to make money with AI on this list, since you need to develop more of a personal brand and expertise in AI solutions and implementation. So you probably wouldn't want to start off with this one, but it's definitely a good add-on down the road with courses or chatbots or any of the other offers that you're using. So you'll want to start by assessing the specific needs and challenges of a business. This could involve analyzing their current workflows, technologies in use, and identifying potential areas for AI integration. You should develop expertise in AI technologies that are most beneficial for businesses, such as machine learning models for predictive analytics, natural language processing for customer service enhancements, or robotic process automation for operational efficiency. Consider partnering with AI technology providers to enhance your consultancy offerings. This can give you access to specialized tools and solutions that can be directly implemented into client systems. Communication is key. You need to be able to explain AI concepts in a way that is understandable to non-tech savvy clients. Develop clear case studies and presentations that demonstrate the business value of AI investments. Pricing your consulting services can vary widely based on the project scope and the value it brings to the client. For example, you might charge a flat rate for initial consultations and assessments, and then offer a tiered pricing model for ongoing projects or implementations. Don't forget about AI affiliate marketing. You can promote AI products or software and earn a commission on each sale through your affiliate links. It's a great way to generate passive income. This isn't necessarily AI specific. You can promote products in pretty much any industry and make a percentage of the sale. There's plenty of great information out there on affiliate marketing for free from people who are much more experienced with it and can break down the strategies much better than I can. But basically, you find an AI product or service that is valuable to some niche. You then sign up to become an affiliate of that product or service, and you'll get a link that if people click and buy the product, you'll get a commission. So the strategy here is to get your link in front of as many people in your niche as possible. You can write blog posts and embed them, or you can run ads, or you can create content and direct people to sign up using your link. For example, if your niche is content creators, you might consider becoming an affiliate for AI tools like vidIQ or Jasper AI. Create videos or articles that show how you can use these tools to help content creators optimize their video SEO or automate their content writing. By showcasing the benefits through your content, you encourage your audience to explore these tools, potentially leading to affiliate sales. You might also offer exclusive tutorials or case studies using these tools effectively, adding further value to your recommendations. And lastly, we have developing AI apps. If you have a knack for software development, creating applications that solve specific problems can be very rewarding. These could be mobile apps, web plugins, or even custom software solutions. You want to develop your technical skills in AI frameworks and platforms such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, or look into no-code development platforms like Bubble, Softer, or DraftBit. Having a strong grasp of these technologies will be crucial as you design and build your apps. Consider the user interface and experience in your design. An app that's powerful but difficult to use won't see much adoption. Focus on making your application intuitive and user-friendly. Test your app thoroughly. AI applications in particular require rigorous testing to ensure they perform well across intended use cases. Consider conducting beta tests with potential end users to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Once your app's developed, market it effectively. Highlight how your app solves specific problems, its ease of use, and the potential ROI for its users. At this point, you can take it in whatever direction you want. You can treat this like a startup and have funding rounds, or you can market it directly to your audience and start gaining traction that way. For example, suppose you develop a mobile app that uses AI to help small business owners manage customer relationships more effectively. This app could analyze communication patterns to recommend the best times and methods for following up on leads or resolving customer issues. You could showcase this app on platforms like Product Hunt or in communities where your audience is located to generate initial interest and gather user feedback. Lastly, consider offering a free trial period for your app to encourage downloads and use. This will help build the user base quickly, and the feedback from these early adopters can be invaluable in refining the app further. As for my thoughts, there's never been an easier time to make money online. So we're doing AI chatbots and AI-powered automations at our company, Black Cloud AI, and we're seeing some success with it. Most solutions are going to be a combination of the two, rather than just one or the other. At least that's what we've seen. I think it's because the novelty of chatbots has worn off, and now people are looking for more robust solutions that can be more of an agent. Personally, I'd like to do more with consulting, but again, like I said earlier, that'll come more with time as my personal brand builds and I have more systems in place to make that a reality. And I guess you could also consider this YouTube channel to be education, but I kind of just give this information away for free. So that's a wrap on how you can make money with AI in 2024. I hope you found these insights helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Drop your questions or experiences with AI in the comments down below. I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.